Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you a great way to use the Vibe blender to make some bread. I'm going to be making a grain and gluten-free sun-dried tomato and olive bread using red lentils. To get started, you need to soak some red lentils in warm water for 30 to 60 minutes. Once they've finished soaking, give them a strain and a rinse, and then you can get started on the batter. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, line a loaf tin with baking paper, and brush it lightly with olive oil. Add the drained soaked lentils into the blender jug, along with 2 eggs, a quarter of a cup of homemade yogurt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Select smoothie mode and blend for 20 seconds. Pour the batter into a bowl and fold in half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 10 chopped sun-dried tomatoes, 10 chopped Kalamata olives, and 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. Pour this into a lined loaf tin and bake for 50 to 60 minutes or until the bread has risen and a toothpick comes out clean once inserted into the middle. So there you go. This is a really great option if you follow a gluten-free or grain-free diet. This is flavor you can see. You don't have to miss out on baked goods, and using the Vibe blender makes it really quick and easy. Give this one a go for yourself and let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our recipes and videos to come. And if you enjoyed this one today, give it a like for us, and we'll be back really soon with another recipe.